running a small business means chasing leads, even if they're not ready to buy. What if you could focus only on the leads that matter, using AI for free? Let's start with scoring potential leads. HubSpot automatically score and sort leads by quality, helping you focus on high-value prospects. Step 2. Enrich lead data. Connect Clearbit to pull company size, job title, and social profiles instantly. Step 3. Track real-time intent. Install Lead Feeder. See which companies visit your site and what they view. Step 4. Prioritize hot leads. Create alerts in Apollo for leads who open emails or visit key pages. Step 5. Avoid time wasters. Use ChatGPT to write polite, not a fit replies for unqualified leads. Now you're talking to buyers, not browsers. Smarter leads, bigger sales, happier you.